All right. Can you see my screen? No, no, I
Yeah,
can.
I can.
Yeah, I can see it too.
The trading view?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, I can see the trading view.
Uh-huh. All right. So Femi, just to recap before you came in, we just doing introduction, trying to know each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so this is gonna be three section like I told you, just to recap. And every Saturday, because of how busy, we are in the Western world, Canada, US, and due to our busy schedules, we're gonna do it Saturday. So Saturday, we're gonna do back to back. So the Zoom is recorded. I'm gonna share it to you to also go through it when you have your own time.
Okay.
So just bear in mind, and trading is not a get rich scheme like we discussed last time, last
Mhm.
2 weeks. So just take trading as a profession, the way you go to school, become a lawyer or a doctor, or you want to
Mhm.
learn, you want to learn basketball, you want to learn football, just know the skill, how to play football, and the money will come. Don't come with the mindset of money. I know we all need money, we all need to pay bills, right? We all need to have our family, but just focus on the learning, learning the skills. Once the skill is there in you, skill is forever. It doesn't go
Okay.
away, right? So the only thing is just like being consistent, back testing, keep studying, even if at the this section our mentorship program is closed. Always also keep studying never finish. Like I there's in our group, there's a TP masterclass I always post every Saturday. I
Mhm.
don't joke with that, right? I'm still learning. Everybody's still learning. Abi, people that are 7 years, people that are 12 years, they are still learning. As I'm teaching you also, I'm also refreshing my basic. So yeah,
Yeah.
basic is very important. So don't trade fake outs, right?
Mhm.
Just always have patience, discipline, have a trading rule, plan, right? The whole thing that gonna pay you in this trading is yourself. Like I said before, you can know all these things I'm drawing here, double top, double bottom, everything. But when the money gonna start coming, you can still wipe away those money if you don't learn money management. That's another different ball game. Some traders, I see some trader, they make hell of money and tomorrow they go broke because they don't know how to manage their risk. They don't know how to manage their money. They just expose everything, go aggressive. There's nothing wrong in going aggressive. Yeah, I know some people go conservative, but there's nothing wrong. But sometimes if you don't learn money management, when time gonna come, you're gonna be seeing that money coming. And if you come, it goes. It comes, it goes. You're gonna be answering with yourself, why I make money New York section, I go back again, Asian section, I lose it at. So those are discipline and plan and rules as a trader supposed to have.
Right.
Yes, I like last 2 weeks, I made money on Asian section. I don't trade London section anymore because from my journaling backtesting, I lose money during London section. I ask myself why. I say because I'm losing my sleep. Because we are US, Canada, we are sleeping. London section is 3 a.m., 2 a.m. here.
Mhm.
And I'll be awake, like trading. And all the money I made from Asian section, I'll blow them away on London section. So I keep
Mhm.
writing down, I keep backtesting, when do I lose money? This is the period I always lose money.
Mhm.
Right? Then I have to write it down. It's up to you. If you figure out the time you always lose money, maybe you may be losing money during New York section, maybe because of reason, because you're at work or you're driving, you are not focused, you think New York section is not good for you. You write it down and say, okay, this is not good for me. I'm always make money Asian section, London section, and I lose everything on New York section.
Mm.
I have a question.
Yeah, go
Can
ahead.
you tell us the times for the sessions, like Asian section, uh, New York session? I know that London session, there's a time it clashes with New York session. So can you just tell us the time? I want to be sure of the time so that I can figure out, let me speak for myself. I can figure out when I can, like me, I work overnight mostly. So probably that London section will work for me, you know. But I want to know the time, the different times, so that I can identify which session it is. If it is London session, if it is Asian section, if it is New York session, you know. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm following US, Canada, right? So if you're in
Yeah.
Nigeria, I don't know, you have to figure it out yourself, right?
I'll
So
figure it out from Toronto time. Just
yeah, yeah. So Asian section starts from 5 p.m.
5 p.m. That's 4 p.m.
Yes, so that's
Winnipeg time.
yeah,
To
that
what time?
it keep running until market close. Yeah, it 5 to 5.
Okay. 4 to
Okay, let's forget about till what time it close. Market
okay.
starts from 5 p.m. All right.
Okay. That's
Yes.
4 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hold on. Yeah. Market start from 5 p.m. and the Sydney open 8 p.m. Then
Sydney.
we have high volatility.
That's 7 p.m.
Yes. So when Asian, I'm starting from Sunday. Let's say we are Saturday, right? So
Yeah.
market open on Sunday, our time, which is 5 p.m. and starting from Asian section.
Okay.
Now we are Saturday, right? So tomorrow we enter Sunday, right? So Asian section 5 p.m., which is Sunday.
Mm.
All right. This one
Yeah.
starts from Sunday. So when Asian section and Sydney section clash together, we have high volatility. That is 8 p.m. is when I always look for opportunity. When there's Asian section open, which is Asian section open, which is 5 p.m., right? Which is, sorry, hold on one second. This is Tokyo. Sorry, my mistake. This is Tokyo, Japan.
Yes, Michael.
Yeah. So this Asian section comprises of Sydney and Tokyo, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is very
So we have here Sydney.
okay. Just keep writing down. Record the night.
All right, no problem. All right. So this is Sydney. Asian section open 5 p.m. on Sunday, right? Which is Sydney. So when Sydney open, which is Australia, we don't have high volatility in the market. I will just wait. Then
Okay.
until 8 p.m. When 8 p.m. open, that means Sydney and Tokyo is clashing together now. So there's high volume. So during that 8 o'clock, you see there's volatility in the market. That's when I like to start trading Asian section.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, you're making sense now,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So that's gonna run till London section, which is 3 a.m. Our 3 a.m. midnight.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So so when you open 3 a.m. around 4:30 a.m. is when I see opportunity of trading high volatility for me. Like 3 a.m. whenever I open is always a fake out for me. Always a fake out to attract buyers or to attract sellers into the game. Then it fake you out. Then I wait for fake out to happen, finish from 3 a.m. to 4:30.
What
Then
do you mean by faker?
fake out is when you see uh opportunity, like you're already waiting for your setup, right? And you see an opportunity for buy, right? And the market now open and you see that spark of buy and you rush and enter the fake out buy. Then you see it come down again, kick your stop loss out and continue buying. You are right, oh, it's not that you're wrong. So, but you enter at the wrong fake out. You enter at the wrong time.
Yeah.
Okay. So to answer your question properly, anytime also they call signal, or even this is also related to signal. If they say signal buy, do not buy. Like if you come, let's say they say buy now, and you're in the shower or you're driving, and it started going by. Just do not rush enter buy. Just wait for it to pull back. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, so just wait for it to pull back. So this is higher high, you know. So we always buy from higher low.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is higher high. And this is higher low. And this is higher high. And this is higher low. So you're gonna wait. All right, you're gonna wait until it come here higher low, then you buy. All right, so the same thing is also is a fake out, right? So let's say London section open. When it open, it will first give you a fake out. So when it give you fake out, just wait. Like your setup is good, you see everything is good, nice, you're waiting for opportunity to buy. But when the market comes to that your zone, right? When it comes to your zone, this is your zone, your support or your resistance. And it comes to your zone. Wait for the fake out to happen. Come back again to retest. This is the main move. Then that is when you're gonna buy. Otherwise, if you buy from here,
Mentee December.
let's say you buy from here, the market gonna take you out, or you'll be on a drawdown, right? Then when you start getting, you see the market coming down and you're on a buy, you became scared, yeah? Because why? Because you trading fake out, or maybe the call signal, you enter, oh, buy, you enter from the middle, right? Maybe the call signal, and you're gonna be wondering, why did everybody make money and this thing is buy, and I'm the only one that is not making money, right? Let's say you're driving or in your shower, they send signal to buy, and you just enter from here, from the middle, right? Then you now see the market, you will now come down, shoot down, come down again. Then this is the right place to buy. So do not rush. Be patient, discipline. Don't, just say in your mind, one trend goes, another trend gonna come. Opportunity is in the market. Just keep on telling yourself that. If you want to say it out, say it out. That is the way to discipline and control yourself. Because that psychology gonna be coming into your mind. One gonna be telling you, oh, I'm losing out this money. Everybody's making money. Just keep on telling yourself, one trend goes, another trend gonna come back. This is my zone. I'm gonna be patient, wait for my setup at this zone. Let this faker go.
Okay.
Yeah. So you buy from here. Okay. So coming to the section we're talking about. All right. So we're on the London section. All right. So then we'll now come to the main master, where we have high liquidity, which is New York section. So New York section open 8 a.m. All right.
Yeah.
I look for opportunity. I don't trade the fake out. I look for opportunity around 9:30, 9:45 a.m. That is when the fake out finished.
So quick question, Mike.
Yeah.
Now, let's say we're on that Meta 5 now, and we're just looking at this charts of maybe any of these. Maybe you're looking at gold or something, or looking at this
Mm,
British pounds and USD.
yeah.
So all this Asia, Tokyo, this Asia session, London session, and New York session, everything will just be together on the chart. Is that
Yes.
because the chart I'll be looking at is not going to tell you this is Asia, it's not going to tell you this is London. You're just
Yes.
going to see candlesticks moving and all that stuff.
Yes, but your brain is telling you New York section is open, London
Yeah,
is
okay.
open, right?
Yes, of course.
So by the time of 9:30 or 9:30 a.m., New York, London is still open, but Asian is already closed because this is Sydney is in the midnight, they already closed. So this is things you're gonna work out yourself. Like put a
Yeah.
clock, do the maths yourself.
Yes.
Sydney, Tokyo, Asia is ahead of us. I think they are 24 hours ahead of us here. They are 24 hours ahead of us,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
So yeah, let's say you're on the New York section. Your New York section and the London section always clash together. That is when, and both of them are the one that have high volatility in the market. They have high percentage of, world trade. Their percentage is high. So you see GBP, USD, all those things, you see their volatility start sparking when New York's section open. So New York section, London section, they clash together. That is when most of the traders, people, big hedge fund, bankers, people that move the market, the liquidity providers, that's the time they move the market. And the London section and New York section always clash.
Okay.
Yes. So if you want to trade London section and the Tokyo section clash together around around this time, right? They clash
Mhm.
together. So, but for New York section, when you trade in New York section, the London section is still open, but I think Tokyo and Asia section is already closed.
Okay.
Yeah, so these are the things you will figure out yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, just do the calculation of the timing, the mathematics time. Like me, I already have these things in my brain, my offhand now. Like I already know. It's something you guys to figure out with experience
Oh
yourself.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So this is AMD. There's something they call AMD. Okay. Which is accumulation, money, manipulation, and distribution. All right. So this AMD is very, very important. Why is it important is that anytime market open, market first, the price will first do AMD. First, price will first accumulate, do ranging. So anytime also price come to your zone, let's say you're waiting for a market, you're waiting for a buy here now. It's gonna first, if you touch your zone, it's gonna first do accumulation, like ranging. All right. Then it will first give you manipulation, like you want to sell. We are looking for bullish. Okay, let me start again. I don't know. Are you okay with this? You wanna it's recorded. I'm still gonna send. If you're okay, I'm gonna clear the chat. Or I'm gonna push it. All right, let me quickly delete this thing. Delete this one. Okay. Delete. So this AMD is something else I know back of my head. Let's say you're waiting for a setup here. So this is your point of entry, right? This is your point of entry. right? Where you are waiting, and you're waiting for a bullish. You're waiting for bullish. It's not only bullish, not because I'm using bullish to as an example, but also bearish as well. Okay. This is bullish. All right. So let's say market keep on coming lower high, lower low, comes here, and you're waiting to buy from here. So anytime price comes to point of entry, it will first do manipulation. If you watch on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, you will see accumulation. Yes. Then it will not give you fake out sell like you want to sell, which is a manipulation. Okay. Then it will not distribute. This is called AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It also happens anytime the market open. This is for bullish. Anytime there is market open, it will first do, anytime market open for bullish trend. I repeat, anytime markets open for bullish trend, it will first do accumulation. After accumulation, it will now do manipulation. Remember, it's bullish. You're looking for opportunity to buy. It will fake you out, like making you feel like it's gonna sell.
Yeah.
All right. Then it now distributes. So this is where that distribution is gonna be liquidity sweep. Some people call it liquidity grab or liquidity, whatever.
Liquidity pool.
Yes, whatever you want to call it, liquidity grab or liquidity sweep. Yeah, liquidity. Yeah, sorry, my spelling, liquidity. So liquidity grab or liquidity sweep. Anyway, just forget about the spelling. Let's move ahead. All right.
I have a question, please.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm Femi, please don't be offended. I'm going to draw you back a bit.
No,
Thank you.
okay. Yeah, his Femi is learning from your question too.
Of course.
Yeah, so this point of entry, I kind of missed out on that. How did you arrive at that point of entry? Because I see the pattern now. It's a bit up above the point of entry, and you want the price to come back to that point of entry before you make your own trade. So how did you arrive at that point of entry? Because it's a bit lower than the...
No, this is an example, but that is also in a real life market, how market goes. So let's say, okay, market is pushing down. Let's say, lower high, okay, lower low, lower high. This is just a pullback, correctional movement, lower low, okay? We're gonna still go into the real life market, but I'm just showing you. And in the real life market, you're not gonna see it so beautiful like this, the way I'm drawing it. It looks so beautiful here, but in the real life market is messy, messed up, and is not that, it's not this beautiful. All right. So this is a market that's coming towards towards your point of entry, and is making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is how market goes. The market does not go in a straight line. Come to your point of entry. No. Right? Are you there?
Yes.
I'm with you.
Yeah. So lower high. So this is impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional. It comes to your point of entry. All right, so this is an example I'm giving to you. So when it comes to your point of entry, so this is where you're waiting for the market. Where your point, you want to buy from here. So why I'm drawing this thing, because I'm explaining AMD, right? So when it comes to your point of entry, it's gonna do AMD. It's gonna do accumulation, manipulation, then distribute. You get what I mean? Let's say you do a setup and you're waiting for buy or sell, right? So, and it comes to your point of entry, this is what it's gonna do.
So the question now is, how do you know that this is my point of entry?
Good question. Okay, how do Mike send buy here, sell here? How do I know that all the setup I'm sending to you that we're gonna buy here, we're gonna sell here? So when we go to the real life market, then we're gonna, it's a good
Okay.
question. I like that. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's say, okay, this is a double top. Okay, well, let's do it in the real life market. Okay. Let me not confuse you guys, but I just want people to understand this structure first before we go into the real life market. This double top, triple top, right? Okay. We're gonna go into the real life market. I'm gonna come back to that one. So we also have double bottom. I just want you people to know the basic first. Basic is very important. All right. So we also have triple bottom. All right. Okay, 1 second. Okay. All right. So these are things you need to cram. Okay. You guys to cram all these things. All right. So this is how market move. Okay. So this, to even answer this question you're asking me now, right? So, so this is your point of entry. All right. So this is triple top. So you see the market. Let me just even answer you here. You see the market shooting down. This is shooting down here is lower high, lower low. Market does not simply just come down to straight to your point of entry. It doesn't come very beautiful like this. It comes like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then it comes to your point of entry. Then you see that here it gives you a first touch. It goes up again. Come back, give you third touch, second touch again. Then third touch. 1, 2, 3. All right. So you already know that if this market comes here for the third touch, it's gonna buy because it now become triple top. This now make you a valid point of entry. I don't know if I'm getting what you we're gonna see okay, here also can be your point of entry, right? This is point of entry, right? So this market, this price is now coming down. It keep coming down, lower high, lower low. Come to this point of entry. Then it give you fake out. Form a W pattern. Come back for the second time again to touch it. When it touch it, it became point of your entry. Then you put your, okay, it's gonna finish 10 minutes. I'm gonna send another one. Then you now become here. You now put your take profit here. Okay, just to buy it. Brother, you understand what is point of entry now. How do you know it's gonna buy here? So these are the structures you got to see. When it's forming this structure, you know that it's gonna buy here. Okay. All right. So let me quickly show you this one now. This is the real life market. Okay. So how do I know? How do I know? How do Mike know that this thing not gonna go up? So we're gonna watch this is GBP JPY daily time frame. By next week, I'm looking for buy opportunity here. All right. So how do I know this gonna buy? So look at it has formed double top here. How do I know this is my point of entry? You have already seen, look at it. Are you not seeing the W pattern? I just
Yeah,
showed you now,
yeah, we can
right?
see it.
Yeah, this is W pattern. This is W pattern. And if you retest here, we are going up. Remember, daily time frame is very strong. So this one, I will close eye and buy self, right? Because it's very strong. So this is W pattern.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'm making sense. I don't
yeah,
know.
I can see it. Yes.
Yeah, this is W pattern, right? So this W pattern, let me bring it out for you to see it properly. This is it. This is exactly this. This is it.
Yeah.
If you bring it out here, this is W pattern. But, market, like I say, it doesn't look beautiful the way we draw it on the textbook. It's always messy for you to lose money, fake out, and all those things. All right. So you just put this is also can be your zone here, point of entry. All right. Frank, am I making sense now with point of entry?
Yes, yes, yes.
How do I know? You ask question, how do I know it's gonna buy here?
I
So
was just waiting for you to finish. I wanted
yes,
to
so this is how
ask
I
you.
know.
Okay, go.
Yeah, this is how I know it's gonna buy here because I already see this is real life market. I already see W pattern here. All right. So what else I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for this pullback to close. This bearish candle, black candle you see here. If you close on this daily time frame, I'm going all the way by next week. Okay.
Repeat that again. Repeat that again.
Okay. Frank, remember
Yeah.
this wedge pattern? You started from beginning more than Femi, right? You remember
Yeah.
I draw this kind of wedge pattern, this flag.
Yes.
Say I like
Yes.
to trade this thing. It give me confidence. You remember, all right?
Yes.
And this inside the flag pattern, I'm seeing another confluence, which is W here,
Okay.
right? And remember,
Yes.
we are still on daily time frame. So this price has broken my trend line. Remember, this thing is doing, I remember what I told you. This is doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's supposed to come here, make another lower low, but it didn't. It stopped here, make an equal low. So meaning price is about to reverse to bullish. It's been selling and making lower low. We'll be making money here, lower high, lower low. And he come here, instead of it to make another lower low, he refused to make a lower low and form equal high. Then form W here.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for retest now to boom, to make money. So this one become your point of entry.
Yeah.
So I'm
Okay. A question.
gonna
Quick
hide it
question.
now so you see it properly now. Yeah. So yeah, go ahead. This
Quick
is
question.
what GBP USD is doing now. Yeah, go ahead. So this
So
is
quick
what.
question. This supply zone and demand zone.
Yeah.
How did you draw it?
We're gonna be jumping from one way to other. I'm about to do it on second section, but
Okay. No problem. Sorry.
I can still answer you.
It's okay. It's okay. We wait. It's okay. You
Yes.
don't want to. You
Yeah.
are the one teaching us. You know how to.
Yes, I don't
It's
want
okay. It's fine.
to, yes, overwhelm you. This is higher high. This is higher low. Okay. This is, sorry. This is lower high. This is lower low. This is lower high. So this is GBP USD. Okay. And this is lower low. All right. So this one is lower high because this one is lower than this one. All right. So this is lower low because this one is lower than this one. Right. So we'll go again. Lower high. Lower low. Okay. So this is equal low. I'll just put it equal low. All right. This is become double bottom. Any question? Is it making sense? So this is how market goes. Yes. Okay. So remember you asked me question, how did I know I'm gonna buy here? So this is how I'm gonna buy here now. So when I see this double bottom, it refused to make a lower low here and come here, make equal low, then push up. I'm waiting for the test to buy. So that is how I know, I'm gonna buy. So if you want to enter aggressive, you enter here, but you may lose money. But the best opportunity is to wait for this demand zone here. That's the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Is it making sense now?
It is.
Yeah.
It is making sense, yes.
Yeah. So this is
Yes.
this flag pattern, you're gonna keep on figuring it with time. You're gonna be seeing it in the market, in the price. All right. So let me switch back. Okay. And let me clear the charts. Can I clear the charts? Okay.
Yes, you can.
All right. So this is daily time frame now. All right. So on this daily time frame, this is how I look at my charts. Each time I come, we are daily traders. We start from daily time frame. All right. Sometimes I go to weekly. Sometimes I go to monthly. All right. To see if, to see what the chart is doing. If the chart is ranging for long, I come to monthly and weekly to look at the charts. All right. So usually daily time, we are daily traders. We start from daily time frame. So when you come here, so you're gonna see that market has been selling. GBP USD has been selling. Then what I use, I do my trend line. So I connect the first one and the second one before I draw. This is how to draw trend line. This one, the first one here, and the second one, you draw the trend line. Okay. So why am I looking for opportunity? Because the price are broken trend line, meaning that buyers are coming in. All right. So all I do is just to put buy. There's my supply zone. This now become my supply zone. And this now become my demand zone. So how do I know is supply and demand? Well, what am I doing? Sorry, this becomes supply. Supply is on top. Supply here, sorry about it.